Hey guys, I want to show you something super cool, really useful if you're a real estate agent or you are just looking to figure out these calculations on your own to purchase your own property. I'm going to go to HyamsRealEstate.com. Right next to the Hyams Real Estate Group logo, the Buyers tab, two down is Calculators. Click on that. We've got three different calculators, and these tools are awesome. First one, Mortgage CMHC Calculator. I'm going to put average price 600,000. Down payment amount automatically puts it to 5.83. That's a minimum you can get away with a $600,000 purchase price, 5.83% down payment, which would be a total of 35,000. But when you're under a 20% down payment on a purchase in Canada, you have to have your mortgage insured. The largest insurer is CMHC, and here's the premium that you're going to pay. So of that 35,000, this is the premium you're going to pay that's going to go to insurance to cover the insurance, leaving you with only this amount paid down from that original 600,000. Super important to know. Super important to know so that when you get your final mortgage principal amount that you owe once you've closed on your property, you're not like, wait, I gave 35,000. Why isn't it 565? It's because 22,600 of that went to CMHC Insurance. Super cool calculator. And obviously you can mess with the down payments amounts, purchase price, make it specific to what you're actually using. Next up, this one's huge. This is actually connected to Ratehub. This will show you what your monthly or bi-weekly or weekly payments will be depending on your setting. Again, let's put 600,000 purchase price. Check this out, 5.83%. Again, that's the lowest you can pay. You've got CMHC insurance premium of 22,600. Shows you what the total mortgage amount will be. You can toggle between your 25-year amortization all the way up to 30. So let's go to 30 just as an example. Notice that your mortgage CMHC insurance premium increased slightly. And now customize the mortgage rate that you're getting. So you can put in a custom rate. You can pick one of the big six banks. That would be like TD, Scotiabank, BMO, RBC, etc. Let's select that one. 3.94%. These are fairly accurate rates. Some of them are actually exactly the rates that you can borrow at. The payment frequency monthly. So if you're paying 12 times a year, this is what your mortgage amount would be every year. Sorry, every month of the year. That's not going to include your property tax, your insurance, or any of your utilities. So super important to know that. If we change it to 25-year amortization simply meaning the amount of time that it takes to pay down the entire loan. We change that to 25 years instead of 30. 25 is the shortest amount you can get away with in Canada. The 25-year increases your payments to 3,072 because it's paying down that total mortgage 5 years sooner. So this tool is super cool for calculating what your actual payments are going to be monthly. And then yes, you can go get this rate, but we recommend that you actually speak with one of our mortgage brokers. They'll be able to get you something a little bit better, probably a higher quality product as well. But the numbers, you can still use this calculator for those numbers. Here you can adjust if you are a first-time home buyer. So land transfer taxes, another big thing maybe you haven't heard of. Land transfer taxes are paid on the closing above and beyond your down payment. If you're a first-time home buyer, watch what happens. Hit yes, boom. Takes a significant chunk off due to the rebate you can receive from the government for being a first-time home buyer. This tells you the cash needed to close, different scenarios. So, for example, we've got 15%, 10%. You can auto adjust those above. Here's the 5.8%. So it's showing you the cash you need to close, including your land transfer taxes, what those monthly expenses would be as well. You can break that down. Your mortgage, your property tax. You get super granular with this. Your phone bill, your cable, utilities. You can actually know what this is going to end up costing you every month. Amortization schedule. This will show you literally what those payments would be like over time in terms of principal to insurance balance. Super cool stuff. And then finally, we have this third mortgage land transfer tax calculator. Super crucial that you are specific in the city that you're buying the home. Toronto is going to have way higher land transfer tax than Ottawa. Sorry, guys, it's reality. 600,000 purchase price, located in Ottawa, Ontario. $8,475 in land transfer tax.